In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a download in the Microsoft Store. If a download is stuck, chewing through bandwidth, or you simply changed your mind, canceling it is quick and safe, and it won't remove anything else on your PC. With the Microsoft Store open, look to the bottom left corner of the window and click the library icon. It looks like a small bookshelf. This takes you to your library view where you can see everything you've installed or queued, plus a dedicated area for active downloads and updates. At the top of the library, find the section labeled Updates and Downloads. This is where apps that are currently downloading or updating will show up. You'll see each app listed with a progress bar, a percentage, and a status like downloading or updating. If you have a long list, give it a moment to populate, then scan for the item that's actively in progress. You can scroll through the list to spot the moving progress bar more easily. If nothing is actively moving, you might not have any downloads in progress or the task might have already finished. Once you've located the app you want to stop, move your mouse to the right side of that app's row and click the three dots. This small menu button sits next to the progress bar and opens additional actions for that specific item. Think of it as a quick options menu. It won't affect your other apps, just the one you've selected. In the menu that appears, click Cancel Download. On some versions of Windows, you may also see an X button right next to the progress bar. Clicking that does the same thing. After you cancel, the progress bar should disappear and the status will clear. The app won't continue downloading in the background, and no further bandwidth will be used. If you accidentally canceled, don't worry. You can start the download again later from this same library page or from the app's product page in the store. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you only want to temporarily stop the download, look for a pause option instead of cancel. Pause lets you resume later, while cancel stops it completely. If you don't see cancel or the three dots, make sure the app is actually in progress. Completed or already installed apps won't show a cancel option. And if the store seems unresponsive, give it a few seconds to update the status after you click. That's all there is to it. By using the library view, finding the active download, opening its options, and choosing cancel, you can quickly regain control of your bandwidth and your task list.